Welcome to beautiful Tirana, the capital of Albania. It was the first city I visited in Albania. And one of the first things I did there is I rented a bicycle. You can do it actually for €5 for a day. The link of the rental shop is below. I rented a normal bicycle, but you can also choose an e-bike. This shop is very close to the big city park with a huge lake, so you can also use a bike driving around the lake and enjoying the nature. Well, I rented a bicycle and went in the mountains. I love mountains and I love to see cities from the top. Beautiful landscapes fascinating me, and mighty mountains give me beauty and strength. It was quite a hot day with 32 degrees, but this didn't stop me and I just was going up with my bicycle, anticipating incredible views and loving all I was seeing on my way. Before I have had conversation with locals, I already was full of love. I felt very comfortable there from the first moment and was very curious to meet people and get to know them, trying to understand them. The atmosphere was amazing. Here you can see me on my way to the top.
Офигительная жара, день второй в Албании. Восхождение скорее в отъезд на велосипеде на гору, 900 с лишним метров. Очень жарко, дороги серпантинные, но красота необыкновенная, природа, горы, животные. Немножко сейчас покажу. Мне по этой дороге дальше ехать и куда-то вверх, по плану, по-моему. Всем большой привет!
Somewhere on the top, after some hours of hard mountain road in the sun, I saw a family restaurant where I decided to have a rest. The owner was very kind. Although the woman didn't speak any language I speak, I could order a lot of soft drinks, and then I just was resting 1 hour under a tree in the shadow because I was so tired. My traveling was approximately 15 kilometers one way, and my goal was to see amazing landscapes. As you see now, I could reach my goal, and I hope you are enjoying now these amazing views with me. As I came to Albania, I knew nothing about culture, about people and traditions. I wanted to see, to feel, and to understand. First morning of the first day, I was sitting in a coffee shop outside at this crossroads, maybe longer than 1 hour. And I was observing, I was listening, I was feeling. I was curious about how people and cars move, how they act with each other, how does it feel, etc. I was sitting there, and in a moment I got tear because I realized that I love a lot what I was seeing. In this moment I felt in love with Albania. Central City Square is quite big and is called Skanderberg Square. Skanderberg is national hero of the Albanians. He saved Albania of Ottoman's invasions and is a very important figure for everyone there. In my home I even have traditional brandy which is called Skanderberg brandy. A good tip for you. From the top of the Plaza hotel, which is very close to the Skanderberg square, you can see all the city. You can get to there for free. At the reception of the hotel, you just say that you would love to go to the viewpoint, and the personnel will show you an elevator which will bring you to the 23rd floor to enjoy views and to drink coffee in a bar there. Albanians are very beautiful people, and many times as I have been to there, they were always very kind, hearty and ready to support me. Many times I talked to locals and every time I was amazed how warm and kind they are. Thank you so much to every person I met in Albania for goodness and for human being.
Еще есть вот такие маленькие улочки, удивительные улочки, просто удивительные улочки.
The park in the southern part of the city is huge and very beautiful. There you can find your calmness, sitting on the lake shore, or you can walk or drive bike around the lake. For children there are also very much possibilities not to be bored. Anyway, it's a perfect place to visit. On the park stage I saw an air gymnastics and it was so beautiful that I was enjoying it for a while.